Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. Let's check what I'm doing. I'm doing this. So for the first chord, I'm doing a normal C chord. Then, okay, tritone, alright, tritone. So, alright. So from here, I'm doing the B. Right hand is doing the F, B, and D. Okay. I'm doing the B flat, right hand is doing the G, B flat, and E. Then I'm doing this. This is basically the third chord, okay? The third chord. Alright, so one more time. Okay, so they did this. Then we will hit this particular note, the C. Alright, this chord is over chord, okay? So we are playing over chord. So we have the B flat, F, and B flat. Or you can omit the F, okay? So that will be B flat and B flat, okay? Then you do the 7th chord. Then you maintain the B flat. Then you change it to the B flat chord, okay? Alright, so the 7th, 4, then 3. Alright, so that is. Then we do. Alright. So one more time here. This is a very nice passing chord. I'm doing the A, the C, the E flat, and the J. Right hand is doing the C, E flat, J, and C. Then I'm doing B flat, C sharp, F, and G. Okay, the time is sitting there. F and G. Alright. Don't worry, if you can't stretch like this, you can choose to play this. It's applicable. Alright. Or okay. Then this. This basically 1/5, okay? Or 3/5. I did a video and I explained the reason why this can be the 1 at the same time the 3 chord. So kindly watch that video, okay? Alright, but just that for it to be over chords, okay, like this. Just that I'm adding the F to it, okay, so that the chords will be heavy, okay? The other time I was also showing you that your chords needs to be heavy depending on the sound you want to get or you want to sound like, okay? So this one I want to sound heavy here, okay? Then I'm doing the basically 5/1, okay? Just that I'm voicing it a different way. So basically I'm doing the 4/5, okay? Then here I'm doing a chromatic movement. Okay, so what is that? The chromatic movement I'm doing first is on the 1. Just like when we're doing this. Alright. Just that I'm playing it in the key of F, okay? So when you are playing contest, the first one is more of like I was a bit playing the key of C. But here I'm playing in the key of F, okay? So when you play in other keys, you get the concept that I'm talking about, okay? But let's concentrate in the key of F, okay? So basically what I did here, I was doing the key of C. but I'm playing the key of F4. But here I'm playing the F chord, okay? So like this. Alright, one more time. So what is that? I'm doing the 1. The 7th chord, okay? Then 1 over the flat 7. Then I'm doing the D over the B flat, okay? So B flat, basically the fa chord. Alright, so one more time. Then here I'm doing 6, 5, 4, 3, okay? Okay, so basically everything that I've played so far, it will end back on the song, okay? So the moment the song starts, this one, you will not wait for the singer to sing before. The moment you are playing it, then the singer will come in from here like this. So you are spelling the melody here, okay? Though when we are playing contest, then I'll sing in, then you understand what I want to talk about. But first, I want to play everything that I've played so far, okay? So that you get the full concept of what I did, okay? So I'm doing it slowly so that you can get it. No matter the level you are, you can be able to get what I'm teaching, okay? So so right now, let's join the singing to it, okay? It goes like this. I come before my Lord and okay, so what am I doing? So, like I played before, I come before. Then we are moving to the 7. My Lord. From here we are going to the 6. And so here what I did is just arpeggios, okay, like this. Okay, because I don't want to leave any space. I could have easily done, but I don't want to leave spaces here. So I'm basically doing this. Alright, then here we'll do the sweet movement that I want to teach you, okay? It's like this. Yeah. So basically here, I'm doing the 2, 3, 4, then 5, okay? So like this. Then 5, then 1. Then here I'm doing this. Then 4, then 7, 1. Okay. If you notice what I'm playing, I'm using diminished passing chords. Okay. So like this. Then to the 1. All right. Let me show you the other part that they did in the song, then we call it a day, so that it will be like everything about this song we have taken a look at it, okay? The champion of 1 to the 4 to the 3, then 7, 3, then 2, then 5, then the movement I showed you earlier. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I will see you in another video. Bye.